about some of the limitations to testing and the strong directive from the governor to take these next couple of weeks to really build up a long-term sustainable plan for increasing testing in Minnesota as a big part of our response management plan going forward. In terms of public interest, of course, it remains very high. About 1,400 calls yesterday to the Health Department Public Hotline, which continues to operate 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day of the week, in addition to the State Emergency Operations Center hotline fielding other questions related to community mitigation, including schools and daycare. Averaging 700,000. Appreciate people directing where we try to keep current guidance information and current information for the public and for various sectors of our state and health professionals, keep that current with updated guidance from the CDC.
Well, as you